Have you ever wondered why habits seem to have a life of their own? It's because habits operate within a loop. Understanding this loop is key to understanding how habits are formed, and more importantly, how they can be changed. Welcome to episode number 3 of the Atomic Habits series. Today we're going to explore the habit loop, a concept introduced by James Clear. By understanding the 3 components of the habit loop, we can gain insights into how habits are formed, changed, and reinforced. Get ready to discover the inner workings of your habits. Let's start by breaking down the habit loop. The habit loop consists of 3 essential components: the cue, the routine, and the reward. The cue is the trigger that signals your brain to start a habit. It could be a specific time of day, a location, an emotional state, or even the presence of other people. The routine is the behavior itself, the action you take in response to the cue. And finally, the reward is the positive reinforcement your brain receives for completing the routine. Let's consider an example. Snacking on unhealthy junk food. The cue could be feeling stressed or bored, which triggers the desire to reach for a bag of chips. The routine involves indulging in the snack, and the reward may be the temporary relief from stress or the pleasurable taste of the chips. Understanding this loop allows us to identify and modify our habits effectively. To create new habits, we need to establish clear cues that prompt us to engage in desired behaviors. This could involve placing a visible reminder in our environment, or linking the new habit to an existing routine. Additionally, we can leverage the power of rewards to reinforce positive habits. By making the rewards satisfying and immediate, we strengthen the habit loop and increase the chances of habit formation. This could involve finding alternative rewards that align with our goals, or creating a habit tracking system that allows us to visually see our progress. On the flip side, if we want to break negative habits, we can focus on altering the cues and rewards associated with them. By changing the cues, we disrupt the automatic response to engage in the unwanted behavior. And by finding alternative, healthier rewards, we can replace the satisfaction derived from the old habit. By understanding and manipulating the habit loop, we can reshape our behaviors and build positive habits. Throughout this amazing series, we'll delve deeper into practical techniques for habit modification, explore habit stacking, and discuss strategies for overcoming common challenges. So, stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, where we'll continue our journey into the world of atomic habits.